Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Lexus IS250 Headlight easy method. Begin by parking safely, opening the hood, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Next, remove the headlight access panel and identify the bulb socket you need to replace. Prepare your replacement bulb and avoid touching the glass surface to prevent premature failure. With the hood open and battery disconnected, locate and remove the screws and plastic clips holding the headlight assembly. Carefully pull the assembly forward until the bulb housing is reachable, watching wiring and tabs. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab, then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to free the old bulb. Set the assembly aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches while you prepare the new bulb. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that double as tidy parts boxes when you work on your Lexus, keeping screws and bulbs from rolling away. They seal tight and stack neatly in your trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new bulb carefully by the base, aligning the tabs and seating it into the socket without touching the glass. Twist the socket clockwise until it locks, then reconnect the electrical connector with a confident click. Reposition the headlight assembly, replace all screws and clips securely, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and test the headlight beam for correct aim and operation before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.